Let's get started. Start with listening, and then learn new words and practice them in sentences.
Imagine stepping into a cozy hotel lobby after a long journey. Exciting, isn't it? When you first arrive at a hotel, the welcoming atmosphere of the lobby and the friendly greetings from the staff make you feel right at home. One of the first things you'll do is check in. This is where knowing a few key phrases can be incredibly helpful. Let's walk through the typical check-in process. You approach the reception desk and you might start with a simple greeting like, "Hello, I have a reservation under the name Smith." It's straightforward and polite. The receptionist will likely respond with, "Welcome, Miss Smith. Could you please provide your ID and a credit card?" At this point, you'll hand over your identification and payment details. Sometimes they might ask, "How was your trip?" This is a perfect opportunity to practice small talk. A good response could be, "It was good, thank you. I'm glad to be here." With the right words, your check-in will be as smooth as your travels. Now you're checked in, but your room seems like a maze away. Navigating a hotel can sometimes feel like exploring a new city. When you find yourself standing in the lobby, unsure of where to go next, knowing the right phrases to ask for directions can be a lifesaver. Let's start with the basics. Approach a staff member and politely ask, "Could you please tell me where my room is?" This direct question is clear and will help the staff understand exactly what you need. Another useful phrase is, "Where is the elevator?" This can be particularly handy if your room is on a higher floor. The staff might respond with, "Take a right and go straight down the hallway," or "It's just past the lounge on your left." Pay close attention to the words right, left, straight, and past, as these are key directions you'll need to remember. Remember, it's okay to ask for clarification. You could say, "Could you please repeat that?" or "Could you speak more slowly?" Knowing these phrases means you'll never get lost, just maybe momentarily misplaced, feeling the need for an extra towel, or maybe a toothbrush. When staying at a hotel, you might find yourself needing a few extra items to make your stay more comfortable. Whether it's an extra pillow, a blanket, or daily essentials like a toothbrush or shampoo, don't hesitate to ask. Hotel staff are there to help you. Here's how you can politely request these items. Start with a friendly greeting, then clearly state what you need. For example, say, "Hello, could I have an extra blanket, please?" Notice the word "please" at the end. It's a small word that goes a long way in being polite. If you're missing something essential like a toothbrush, you might say, "I need a toothbrush. Could you bring one to my room?" Always remember to speak clearly and maintain a polite tone. After receiving what you asked for, don't forget to thank the staff. A simple "thank you very much" will suffice. This not only shows your appreciation, but also encourages a positive atmosphere. Comfort is just a question away when you know what to ask for. Hungry or need your room cleaned? Let's dial up some service. When staying at a hotel, you might find yourself in need of extra towels or a late-night snack. Fortunately, getting these services is just a phone call away. Here's how you can communicate effectively with room service or housekeeping. Imagine you're hungry and want to eat without leaving your cozy room. Pick up the phone and say, "Hello, can I order dinner to my room, please?" Be ready to specify what you would like to eat and ask any questions about the menu. Now, let's say you want your room cleaned while you're out exploring the city. You could say, "Hello, could the room be cleaned at 10 a.m.? This way, you ensure that housekeeping comes at a convenient time for you. Remember, always be polite and thank the staff, saying something like, "Thank you very much." A few simple phrases can make your stay convenient and pleasant. What if the Wi-Fi doesn't work or the air conditioner is too loud? Sometimes, even in the best hotels, you might face issues that need addressing. Here's how you can handle such situations with ease and effectiveness. Imagine you're in your room and discover that the heater isn't heating up the room as it should. The best approach is to pick up the phone and calmly explain the situation to the front desk. You might say, "Excuse me, the heater in my room isn't working properly. Could someone come and check it, please?" This polite request shows respect for the staff's time and duties. It's also important to be specific about your issue. Instead of saying something's wrong with the bathroom, it's more helpful to explain what the exact problem is. For example, The shower head is leaking in my bathroom. Could this be fixed at your earliest convenience? Remember, the hotel staff is there to help ensure your stay is comfortable. Keeping your cool and communicating clearly are key. Even when issues arise, your words can maintain the peace. All good stays come to an end, but let's check out smoothly. Checking out of a hotel doesn't have to be a hassle if you know the right phrases to use. Typically, you start by going to the front desk and saying, "I'd like to check out, please." This simple phrase lets the staff know you're ready to leave. Next, you might want to ask, "Could you please prepare my bill?" This is a polite way to request your final charges. While you wait, it's a good idea to double-check your bill for any unexpected charges. If everything looks correct, you can proceed to pay. It's also courteous to ask about leaving your luggage if you're not leaving the area right away. You could say, "Can I leave my bags here for a few hours?" Most hotels are happy to accommodate this request. Before you leave, don't forget to thank the staff. A simple, "Thank you for your help," goes a long way in showing your appreciation for their service. With these phrases, you can wave goodbye to the hotel as effortlessly as you said hello. Remember, staying at a hotel is not just about comfort, but also respect. When you stay at a hotel, it's important to follow a few simple etiquette rules to ensure a pleasant experience for yourself and others. First, consider tipping. It is a way of showing appreciation for the service you receive. For example, it's common to tip the person who carries your bags to your room, or the housekeeping staff who keep your room clean. Next, be mindful of noise levels. Hotels are shared spaces, and being quiet during late hours is a sign of respect for other guests who may be trying to sleep. Try to keep your TV or music at a low volume and avoid loud conversations in hallways. Respecting hotel property is also crucial. Treat the furnishings and amenities as if they were your own. Avoid taking items from the room, such as towels or decorative pieces, which are meant to stay for the enjoyment of future guests. Respecting these simple rules ensures a pleasant stay for everyone. Now you're equipped with essential hotel phrases and tips. Let's take a quick recap of what we've covered. From the moment you step into the lobby and greet the reception with a friendly, "Hello, I have a reservation," you're on your way. Remember, asking for directions within the hotel can be as simple as saying, "Can you show me where the gym is, please?" When you need extra towels or toiletries, don't hesitate to ask, "Could I have some extra towels in my room?" It's all about clear and polite communication. If you encounter any issues, stating them calmly, like, "There seems to be a problem with the air conditioning," will help you get quicker assistance. Don't forget the checkout process. Saying, "I'd like to check out, please. Could you send someone to help with my luggage?" is a great way to end your stay on a good note. Engage in role plays or practice these dialogues with friends to build your confidence. Practice makes perfect, and soon these phrases will roll off your tongue as easily as packing your suitcase.
Let's learn new words and practice English at level A2. Check-in. Check-in, the process of registering your arrival at a hotel. Example, when you arrive at the hotel, go to the reception desk to check in and get your room key. Reservation. Reservation, an arrangement to have something, such as a room or table at a restaurant, held for your use at a later time. Example, make sure to confirm your reservation if you'll be arriving late to the hotel. Room service. Room service, a service in hotels that allows guests to order food and drinks to be delivered to their room. Example, if you're too tired to go out, you can call room service for a meal. Housekeeping. Housekeeping, the department of a hotel charged with cleaning and maintaining rooms. Example, you can call housekeeping if you need extra towels or your room needs cleaning. Check out. Check out, the process of paying your bill and leaving the hotel at the end of your stay. Example, the checkout time is usually around noon, but you can ask for a late checkout if you need more time. Amenities. Amenities, convenient features that helps to make life pleasant. In hotels, these include things like pools, gyms, and Wi-Fi. Example, before booking, check if the hotel offers amenities like free Wi-Fi and breakfast.